kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Don kejingelang, apo kejingelang jong Chief Minister Bedon Burong jongi. Hakaban kalian jong ka Health Department, bati officers ki ba pek kerpang ya kane ka scheme ka project ka MHIS ka biyong. Kila ai ya ka detailed presentation. Bat ka bakhadu na kalian ka sorkan la sim ya karai. Kung mga ong lada ka coverage jong uway nong pang uba admit hapo ki ICU kababaro iskata kiyo 1,000 kendai spa siswi menta ngin extend syadu kahinriw pau hajar tingka ban yarap ya kalong ying kalong sen lani ya ki nong pang but ya kani ni extend tam ya kitu kiba enroll ya lagi baleng alit ong mukta namar ba ngiyo i kiba bon ba pat kiba enroll leng ba jong kani ka scheme ban ngakwa ban pentip ame ba ka enrollment kaba haduk menta kaba cover ya ka jela jogi barok koi ka poi tang 58.5%. It is very disappointing, I should say, because the enrollment till today done by the beneficiaries covered only up to 58.5%. You may ask the question, why it happened so? I'm just telling you the problem is the remaining percentage out of 58.5 to the recent best known by them. I don't know what happened, they did not come up for enrollment or for registration. So I would therefore urge all the citizens of the state who are eligible to enroll and to register themselves under this important scheme to kindly come forward, register and enroll yourself so that the benefits can be extended to all of you. Aku akan clarify hakani ka janme kalong ba hadin bang i don ka hakikot kubor ibong bay akan ka prefab building kamda long kamda bit kamda biang ten reng aku ban pensyai hakani ka por bangin na kalian government namang ngihapan pet atat ya ka jindon kam kerki namar hakani ka por ngi im hakani ka pandemic kani ka klam ka bajur ba lakum nuk ki infrastructure ngin penploy ban pendep kat bala na kamenta bangilah ban yakun yau neu knyang jingpam ngilarai na kalian ko sarkar ba ngin thau ya ki artli ki corona health facility hapo ki artli ki district jongi kawe hapo east hills kabamut haslom bat kawe pat hapo west karu hills kabade hapo tura bat ka capacity ka bed capacity jong kini kalong arspa jingtia shispa syatura bat shispa teli hamne hapo shalom bat yakane kapisang yo sanction riu klur nyau polak tengka bangin sna kerki yakini ki arteli ki corona health facility nakabenta bangin yo bat yakun chu kamba kung no bangin job ya katma jonguni uknyam jingpang iba register leni ki enroll kabang akwa panong kolong ba ki pait ba nong chong snong jong ka jela ka jongi itu ki ba qualify ya katuka kriteria ka belambu da ka MHIS kabang ngakerpat kolong bakin sngaw ba ban enroll ya ledi register ya ledi kanang bakan ni ka jingerap ka scheme ka baga sorkar Kaan, kan kovo, ya ki babun, ki long ying ki long sen, habe ki kendu, ya ki jingpang ki sistom, bat kam tam habe ya kendu, ya kanika klang, kanika pandemik, kaba serkai hadu kata-kata, hang nepo kejela kejumi, kata-kata kawe karai kapengisim, mentah kejanmit.
District kiosk level, in the district kiosk office, epic cards, Xerox a copy of epic cards are collected and new families are created. So this data is sent from us to the central government, and then the central government adds that data. So usually we do it depending on the policy period and depending on the decision of the central government as well. When to clarify about the 58.51%, sir, in the sense that we have in the database, there are about more than 7 lakh households in our database. But out of all those households, only approximately 4.4 lakh households have registered. So there are still 3.4 lakhs or 3 lakh plus households who are not registered but are there in our database, sir.
Okay, one more question about MHA.
We have a set database of eligible beneficiaries. This database has been created using the electoral roll of 2016 and then added on. Plus, we have the database of the socio-economic census. There are several families and people who are not in the database. So for those people, we usually collect the EPIC card and then it is sent to the central government to get their names added into the system. Otherwise also, they inform the office and we do registration every day, even for COVID patients.
But then it is not happening, as per my information. There was a person who
di hospital berapa? Tambah kami gawe kalong ba? Kami ka insurance jami kami cover ya ki consumables. Iki not ya ki consumables. Nado ni kong hi kaya kunta, but hadu mentar kalong kunta. Takada naman mentar ke COVID, ki haban phone PPE room, ki haban de ki class 1 ka por kap change kap pong. Takada kalong de jingki unde ni de kran sha ki hospital ba penyakit hospital ni pek tum nung laban warna ya door to ki. Kung kaluksa kemudian ngila ongi bangin ngila wanra ya kata formula kama nyerap ya ki nang pang utama ya kini kibadok mo ngila ongi wara ya kata formula kemudian hadim kan terus nidu ke formula kadang hila ka jong tana kumno bangin nyerap kadi bitai covid namar kadang ka sistem ki ong kadang ka sistem ki batang covid ki baru hostel kadi ngile tangan ta covid mentah ya kalau minta support. It is not that they go and say, I want to be registered as a MHIS patient. Okay, it does not work that way. They go to the hospital, they are treated, okay, they become well, and when the bill is presented to them, they want to be registered in the MHIS. It cannot be done like that. But if you go to the hospital authorities will ask first whether you have got the MHIS card or not. If you don't have, they will tell the relatives. If the patient is very sick, they will tell the relatives, go and register. So on the first day when you go and register yourself, that means you become a beneficiary from that first day. While if you go after the fifth day, you've already been treated, you're all right, and you register, you become a beneficiary from the fifth day. So you cannot say that for this past 5 days, that card should apply. That is the problem. What you're talking about, that is the problem. There are so many cases like that which have come forward. We cannot help because this is insurance. It works that way. And plus, this is a state insurance together with PMJAY. So it is not only the state alone from the MHIS team alone they can decide that. That has to be done. Otherwise, there is an audit. There is always a very strict audit on this, and we have to reply. That is the problem. This MHIS, and they're coming forward. So we are very confident that from the next policy period onwards, when we go for an intensive drive again, people will come forward and register. Then we get more coverage.
Those who have once
That a patient who is admitted in the hospital, serious patient, when they enter the ICU with ventilator support, the package per day is 4,900. Now we have worked out a formula that at least on the first day till the 6th day, this coverage will increase up to 60,000 rupees. Ini gilong kijing pentit kijongi kibedai bat COVID-19 benta kasi arfenyo tarik benai me arhajar arfuai kikis kiba kemai benta kasi gilong Raspa Tendai Kiba la recover Kilong Sanspa Tendai Punyo Baro Kikis Kiba long active menta Kilum lang baro Kilong Prahajar Aspa Sanfasan Padna kini Sau hajar Aspa Khatsau Kidan hapo East Khas Hills Si hajar Aspa Arfsan Kidan po Ribhai district Kikis ki belakhlak no Kilong khat ar Badna kini khatway kidi Hapo East Khas Hills Bad iway Hapo West Jaintia Hills Kini kilong kijing betep Mentah kasi